If you're searching how to remove duplicates, fix Excel errors, clean messy data automatically, or generate formulas, this AI add-on for Excel can do all of that in seconds. So right now I have these two data sets right here. The first thing I'm gonna do is head over to the add-ins and then search up AI tools for Excel. And since I already have it downloaded, it's gonna look like this, and you're just going to click add. And once I've downloaded it, I'm going to click on it to open it. The first thing that I notice is there's some formatting errors. My date formatting is wrong, and my salary formatting is a little wrong too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the smart formatter. Now the way it works is you can format by looking at the whole spreadsheet, or you can do it by selection. Since I want to format the salary, I'm going to do it by selection. So if I select all of these, it's going to automatically choose by selection. And then I'm going to click find and format values. Now there are three ways to format. There's the most common way, the AI suggested one, and then the one from settings. So if I were to click most common, it's going to show me a preview of what it would look like once I apply the changes. And then there's the AI suggested one, which is basically the same. And then there's the one from settings. You can change the formatting in settings. There's the date formatting. I'm going to keep it in US. There's also number formatting. And then there's the currency handling, text format, and then a number format. If I were to go to currency handling, I want to keep the symbol. So I'm going to select keep symbol. And once I head back to smart formatter, I'm going to click from settings. And then once I'm done looking at the preview, I'm going to click apply changes. And then I'm going to do the same for the date. And once I'm done looking at all of this, I'm going to click apply changes, and it's going to apply all of it. Now, when you're dealing with large data sets, there are times you could run into duplicates. If we look at the second data set right here, there's a duplicate for salary for everyone. So I'm going to head over to duplicate deletion, and then you can search in the range or the entire sheet. And then there's two delete modes. You can delete the entire row, which is the default, or you can only delete the values. I want to delete the entire rows in this case. I'm going to keep it in range. And then it's going to show you a preview, and you can select the ones you want to keep by deselecting this. And you can also look at which one you're looking at right now. So if I were to click on these, it's going to show me the exact sheet I'm looking at. So once I'm done reviewing everything, I'm going to click review and delete, and then click delete now. Now, one of the most useful tools is the generate formula tool. The way it works is you give a description of the type of formula you want, and then it's going to generate the formula for you in a specified cell or the range. I wanted to create a formula to return the value from F2 if G2 contains West. So in this case, it's going to look at the salary, and then if G2 contains West, it's going to return the salary. I'm going to select the cell where I wanted to actually put in the value, and then select active cell. Once I'm done, I'm going to click generate and insert. And after some time, it's going to return the value, which is 82.3. And then it also shows you the generated formula down here, but you can also look it up over here. If you already have formulas in your sheet and you want to understand what exactly the formula does, you can head over to the explain formula, and then you select the cell again, which contains the formula. And then once you click on explain formula, it's going to give a detailed description of what the formula does and why it's written the way it is. So let's say I have a formula in my sheet that is giving me an error. In this case, I have an error over here in one of my formulas. In order to fix it, instead of having to look through it myself trying to fix it, I can head over to fix errors with AI, and then it can scan your entire sheet to find any errors that there might be. And now it's going to tell me where it found errors. So there's one error type that I found. The error type meaning there is a division by 0, and there's only one error. And it gives an explanation as to why this happened. So in this case, I'm dividing by 0, which is why it's giving me the error. And there's also a suggestion that it can give there's a guard against 0 with conditional check, and then there's also different types of fixes you can put. So in this case, I'm going to choose the highest percentage, and once I click on apply this fix and then click apply fix, now it's going to say no errors found, and it's going to actually apply the changes to the formula. If you're dealing with large data sets with a lot of different values, and you might need some checks of looking into formatting, duplicates, or any errors with the actual formulas, then this AI add-on will be your best friend.